Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I cash in a paysafe voucher? Paysafe is a prepaid payment method that's popular in many countries around the world. It's a great way to pay for things online and in-store without having to use a credit card or debit card. But what if you have a paysafe voucher that you don't want to use? Can you cash it in for cash? The answer is, it depends. In this video, I'm going to explain the different ways you can cash in a paysafe voucher. What is a paysafe voucher? Before we get into how to cash in a paysafe voucher, let's first talk about what it is. A paysafe voucher is a prepaid payment method that you can use to make online and in-store purchases. It's like a gift card, but it can be used for a variety of different things, such as online shopping, gaming, gambling, travel, and more. Paysafe vouchers are available in a variety of denominations, from $10 to $500. You can purchase paysafe vouchers at a variety of retailers, such as gas stations, convenience stores, and supermarkets. How to cash in a paysafe voucher? There are a few different ways to cash in a paysafe voucher. The best way for you will depend on your individual circumstances. Option 1. Use it to make a purchase. The easiest way to cash in a paysafe voucher is to use it to make a purchase. You can use it to pay for anything that accepts paysafe as a payment method. If you're not sure where you can use your paysafe voucher, you can check the list of retailers that accept paysafe on the paysafe website. Option 2. Sell it online. If you don't want to use your paysafe voucher to make a purchase, you can sell it online. There are a number of websites that allow you to sell paysafe vouchers for cash. When you sell your paysafe voucher online, you will typically get a lower price than the face value of the voucher. This is because the seller takes a cut of the sale. Option 3. Exchange it for cash at a retailer. In some cases, you can exchange your paysafe voucher for cash at a retailer. However, this is not always possible. You'll need to check with the retailer to see if they offer this service. Option 4. Contact paysafe customer support. If you're still having trouble cashing in your paysafe voucher, you can contact paysafe customer support. They can help you find a way to cash in your voucher. Important things to know about cashing in paysafe vouchers. Paysafe vouchers have an expiration date. If your voucher expires, you will not be able to cash it in. Paysafe vouchers are not refundable. If you change your mind about using your voucher, you will not be able to get a refund. Paysafe vouchers are not transferable. You cannot sell or give your paysafe voucher to someone else. I hope this video has helped you understand how to cash in a paysafe voucher. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.